How to turn off camera on Microsoft Teams. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off camera on Microsoft Teams. You will be able to turn off your camera in Microsoft Teams before joining a meeting. First, open your Microsoft Teams application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, now join a meeting. You can also create your own meeting or join the existing one. Once you click on this join button, you will be able to join this meeting. While joining the meeting, able to disable your camera by clicking on this video icon and then a slash mark will appear on it, or you may also adjust this toggle button at the left side to turn it off. After doing that, you can now click on this join now button at the bottom right. After that, you will be able to join the meeting. You'll also be able to turn off the camera while in the meeting. For that, you will need to click on this camera at the top right to turn it off. So by following these steps, you should be able to turn off camera in your Microsoft Teams. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.